So this is the indoor unit, and its display is showing the E8 error. This is a TCL air conditioner with a PCB installed, which is also from TCL. Let me explain why this is happening. Whenever this issue occurs in the indoor unit, it won't be an indoor fault. Rather, it will be an outdoor fault. So let's head to the outdoor unit to investigate further. So when this issue arises and the E8 error appears on the display, you'll notice that the outdoor unit is still running, but is also showing an error code. Let's check how many times the outdoor unit's LED blinks. We will observe and count the blinks to determine whether this is an error code or some other issue. Now let's count the blinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The outdoor unit's LED 401 blinks 11 times, which indicates that the problem lies in the outdoor unit. Let me now explain what the issue is. When the E8 error occurs in the unit, observe that this is due to a faulty sensor. Let me show you. This sensor might either be faulty or have a short circuit. Take a look at this sensor and its number, and notice its connector, CN2. This is the discharge pipeline sensor, which is installed on the compressor. If this sensor gets disconnected, the unit will display the E8 error. Similarly, if the sensor experiences a short circuit or if its wire gets cut, the E8 error will still appear. When the E8 error appears, you must know the sensor's resistance value, because if you don't know its value, you won't be able to fix it correctly. At 23 degrees Celsius, you need to measure its resistance. Let's check it now. It should read 16.50 kilo ohms at 23 degrees Celsius. If it provides this value, then the sensor is fine. Now, take a look at this indoor unit displaying the E3 error, and the unit has completely shut down. So what does this error mean? When this error occurs, we will need to work on the outdoor unit to resolve the issue. You'll notice the outdoor unit's LED blinking and showing an error. Now, let's count the LED blinks to determine the issue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The LED blinks 10 times, which indicates that both the indoor and outdoor units are facing the same problem. When you encounter a situation where the E3 error appears on the indoor unit and the outdoor unit's LED blinks 10 times, this indicates an issue with the OPT sensor. This sensor is responsible for monitoring the temperature of the condenser pipe. It is installed to allow the microcontroller to check whether the condenser temperature is too high or too low and adjust the system accordingly. If the sensor's wire is cut or there is a short circuit, this error will also occur. Let's now check the resistance value of this sensor to determine its correct reading. Knowing the correct resistance value will help you replace and fix the sensor properly. Let's check its value at 22 degrees Celsius. The sensor is showing a resistance of 5.52 kilo ohms at this temperature. If the sensor provides this value at 22 degrees, it means the sensor is functioning correctly. However, if the value fluctuates or deviates significantly, you should replace the sensor to fix the issue. Now, the outdoor unit is displaying the EP error code. When the EP error appears, it also indicates a fault in the outdoor unit. Let's head to the outdoor unit and check how many blinks the LED is showing to diagnose the issue further. When the EP error code appears on the indoor display, it means the outdoor unit's LED 401 is also blinking, indicating a fault. Let's count the blinks to confirm if the issue is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me explain what happens when the EP error occurs. As you can see, there is a sensor labeled OVT, which is connected to connector number 3. This is the thermostat sensor, and it is installed on the compressor. Its purpose is to monitor the compressor's temperature so that, in case of overheating, it can shut down the compressor to prevent damage. When the compressor overheats, the sensor sends a signal to the microcontroller, which then shuts down the unit to protect it. If this sensor gets disconnected or its wire is cut for any reason, the unit will immediately display the EP error on the indoor display. When we check this thermostat, it is normally closed, meaning we should observe continuity. Let me show you how continuity appears. This thermostat works like a switch. When the compressor heats up, the switch trips, causing a disconnection. If the switch trips, it indicates the thermostat is faulty. In continuity mode, if the thermostat gives a beep, it means the switch is currently connected and the thermostat is functioning correctly. There is no issue with it. However, if it does not beep or shows no continuity, the thermostat is faulty and you should replace it. Doing so will resolve the problem. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.